How to add a name in brackets on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add a name in brackets on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add a name in brackets on Facebook, you just have to go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook application here. Now by default you can see my first name and my last name without any sort of brackets, but if I want to add it in the bracket format, I can tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon to come to settings page, go to account center. After that, go to the option called profiles, select Facebook account here. After that, select name, and after you select name, you can see first name, last name. But if I want to add a name in bracket, select manage other names. Now all you have to do is whenever you select manage other names here, you can see name type. You want to set this as a nickname. After you set this as a nickname, right in this nickname tab, you want to simply enter the name that you want to add in bracket. After you do that, here you can see show at top of your profile. Make sure to check this option, and here you can see the little preview, your real name, and in the bracket there is a little nickname. And now when you tap the save option, your name is going to show up in that format. This way you can add a name in brackets on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.